Hi artists, today we're going to draw a narwhal holding a piece of pizza. How crazy is that? So Baby Yoda got me thinking about other cute creatures that are out there that we all have enjoyed looking at recently, and the narwhal came to mind. So let's draw a narwhal, but let's draw it holding a piece of pizza because it's hungry. So what you want to do is get your next clean page of your sketchbook out, or a clean white piece of paper, a pencil, and a really good eraser. And as you know, I'm going to be using a Sharpie so that you can see my work. So get your pencils ready, and what you're going to do is draw the head of the narwhal over here, and the body's going to be curving up with the tail that way, and the horn, the unicorn horn I like to call it, is going to point up this way, and down here will be the pizza. And then the rest is up to you, because you can put this narwhal anywhere. Maybe they're in a restaurant under the sea. So start from the top, and you're going to draw an upside down U, kind of sideways, okay? And that's the narwhal's head. So the next thing is to really get that unicorn horn, and it's a little curvy line at the bottom and a point. And we're going to add details to this later, and you'll want to erase that line right there so that we can make it so that it's clear. But you can also add stripes to it, and that will take that line right away. The next part is continuing along with the body, and we're going to wrap around another curve line with the tail. And the tail is going to go off to the side here. So that was a long step. This is almost like a curved letter V, and this is a shape that you can do by itself if you want. The next part is to do, we're going to separate the dark part of the body from the belly part of the body, and the fins are going to be down here. So the first step is to do the first fin that's closest to us. So we're going to take our pen or pencil and go this way, and there is our first fin, and it curves up. Alright, and the next fin is on the other side because it's the illusion of being on this side. So in order to do that, we're going to draw the belly down first, okay? And then the fin is that way, second fin. And this is where we add all the fun details, the pizza, the eyes, the mouth, and this is where you can get creative. Maybe your narwhal is a girl and she has a bow in her hair. Maybe it's a guy. I'm going to do a simple version. So there's the eye, and they're super happy. They have a piece of pizza. So a smiley face and an eye, and I'm going to add some cute lashes to this, and she is going to be eating the pizza. So that's the crust, and here's my pizza, and there's pepperoni on it, maybe there's a few mushrooms, maybe there's, I don't know. Decorate your pizza the best way you can. Color in those shapes with black marker or whatever marker you have. I'm going to add some texture to our crust here and a little dimension. So your pizza may come out wonky, but you know, when you're holding a piece of pizza, doesn't it hang down weird? Because it's sort of like this giant piece that you can't get in your mouth. But that's totally fine. The narwhal's doing the same thing. Pizza can be super messy. So there's your basic line drawing, and this narwhal really, really, really loves her pizza, and so the rest of this drawing is going to be me speeding it up for color and detail, and this part's up to you. You can get creative and put your narwhal anywhere, doing whatever with the pizza. Have fun, artists.